Piercing Aftercare Essentials, a guide to healing and maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for anyone considering or already sporting a new piercing. Piercing Aftercare. Understanding how to properly care for your piercing is crucial not just for the health of your piercing, but also to ensure it heals beautifully and lasts. So, let's get started on how to keep your piercings clean, healthy, and looking great. Piercing Aftercare refers to the steps and practices you should follow after getting a piercing to promote healing, prevent infections, and ensure the overall health of the pierced area. It's a critical part of the piercing process because the way you care for your piercing can significantly affect the healing time and the outcome of the piercing itself. The core of piercing aftercare involves cleaning the piercing, avoiding certain activities that can irritate the area, and monitoring for signs of infection. Here are the basic guidelines. Cleanliness is key. Always wash your hands thoroughly before touching or cleaning your piercing. Saline solution. Clean the pierced area with a saline solution twice a day. You can either purchase a pre-made solution or make your own by mixing sea salt with distilled water. Avoid overcleaning. Cleaning more than recommended can irritate the piercing and delay healing. No twisting or turning. Resist the urge to play with your jewelry. This can introduce bacteria and cause irritation. Watch what you wear. Choose clothing and accessories that won't catch on or rub against your piercing. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes that can hinder your piercing's healing process. Here are a few to watch out for. Avoid using alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. These substances can be too harsh and can delay healing. Don't submerge your piercing in water. Pools, hot tubs, and even baths can contain bacteria that can lead to infections. Steer clear of beauty and hair products around the piercing. Sprays, lotions, and powders can irritate the area. While most piercings heal without issue, it's important to know when to get professional advice. If you experience severe redness, swelling, pain, or discharge that doesn't improve or worsens, it's time to visit your piercer or a healthcare provider. They can offer guidance and, if necessary, treatment to address any complications. Caring for your piercing properly is essential for ensuring a smooth healing process and enjoying your new body modification. Remember, patience and diligence in aftercare are key. We hope this guide helps you take the best care of your piercing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Take care, and see you in the next video.